Leather seats are gorgeous when they are properly maintained. We can do this perfectly with the Skincare Kit from Carpro. This kit consists of a cleaner, a conditioner, the necessary microfiber cloths, a brush, and a micro-buff scrubbing pad. We always start by shaking the products well. Apply the cleaner to the leather and process with the brush. Wipe away the excess product with the microfiber cloth and dry the leather thoroughly. The difference between the cleaned and uncleaned leather is clearly visible. Then we apply the conditioner to the micro-buff scrubbing pad and process it into the clean leather. Wipe thoroughly with a clean microfiber cloth and enjoy beautiful, maintained leather. Thanks for watching. Until next time.